Hello guys, what's up and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Obi and this is Obi's World. So if this is your very first time of coming across my channel, you're very welcome. Please don't make it your last, okay? Make sure to subscribe and join my amazing fam. Guys, I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that is based in Bayelsa State. Yes, Nigeria. And this is my experience, letting you guys know what you're going to see when you're looking for a house in Nigeria, especially in Bayelsa State. Yes, everybody have their own, their own experience, and this is my own experience. What I've experienced in Bayelsa State when I was hunting for a house. Okay, this is my third time. I think my fourth time or my third time of getting a house or looking for a house in Bayelsa State. The first one was not us that actually looked for the house. If you have been watching my videos, I've talked about those things. Yeah, we hired somebody that got the house for us before we came to Bayelsa. So the person got the house for us and we just saw it on the video and we liked it and we paid for it before we now relocated. Now the second one was us getting a self-contained that I got, and the third one was this place that we got, and the fourth one is the one that you guys have been watching that we want to relocate. Okay, guys. Generally, I will not even say Bayelsa State. In Nigeria, generally, when you are getting a house in Nigeria, you just have to be very smart. I was watching Banigo. Sorry guys, rain is falling, so you might be getting small noise. So I was watching a Banigo's video, but she was complaining of how that she paid, her experiences, how that she has paid. She's supposed to move into that house January, but up to now, which is June, she has not moved into that house. Why? Because of bad, just the owners of the house, the promises, and the failing. They will promise you something and they will not even do that thing, and you'll be stopped. You understand? Now my experience in house hunting. See, when you are getting a house in Nigeria, make sure that you know what you want. Make sure that you take out your time to go and get a house. Now we don't even trust agents. There are houses that you go into, you are seeing that house physically, that house is not good, you don't love that house, and this way they will try to sweet talk you, try to convince you for you to go and get that house. And if you don't stand your ground, guy, you will pay for that house later. You regret paying for that house. I think that is what is happening to Banigo's TV right now. She paid for the house and they don't even do it, and she has to start investing and start doing something on that house again, and she has spent 1 point something million on that house, and that house is not even ready up till now, and she's still stuck where she's living now. There's something that is even happening right now. She don't want to go back to that house again. She's still stuck where she's living, and in fact a lot is happening. So you just have to know what you want. Take your time, go and look for your house. Don't just rely on your agent, because they can fail you. They are only just that they have the only to collect their money, and when they collect their money, guys, they will leave you and go, because it's just their business. I've gotten experience on house hunting, so I can as well tell you my experience. If you want to learn, you learn. You might be outside then, I want to relocate back to your country, and you be like, okay, let me just look for any random agent, or maybe somebody refer somebody to you. Guy, don't trust them. Even my own sibling, I don't trust doctors of agents. I rather take my time, go and look for the house myself. Okay, you can even get a house whereby they'll tell you that, hey, the landlord is going to repair it, is going to do this one, and you go and pay. Guy, you enter that house, nothing will be done in that house. You might end up being the one that will do that thing in your own house that you are living. You're going to repair it so far you love the place. Okay, yes, that's one of the things. So their promise can never be assured. They will sweet talk you to collect a house whereby you will be the one that will end up spending on that house. For instance, this place that I'm living right now, it has POP. Fine. I'm not the kind of person that is being carried away by all those things. I'm my own. Let me just get a place I love. Okay, I'm not carried. What concern with POP? POP that is even here. This parlor light is not working. The electrician that the electrician that did the work here, most of the lights are not working. Lights in the bedroom are not working. This chandelier that is here is not working at the POP. I'm not you enjoy the POP, just the light, the shine that is there. Yes. So the kitchen, there's no kitchen cabinet in my kitchen. The visitor's toilet that Visitors toilet that they told me that they are going to repair, up till now they have not done anything on that visitors toilet. Now we have even used the place and be doing another thing on that. Thank God they removed the pole for us, so we're not using that place to wash clothes and fetch water. That's the thing. Okay, so these are one of the things that you should look into. Don't just believe in them. They can disappoint you at any time. And again, I will tell you for free, please, if you are looking for a house in Nigeria, especially in Bayelsa State or anywhere on the country, please don't pay your money complete first. If it's a house that is under process or they are still renovating, please don't give them all your money, because your money will be stopped. If you give them all your money, they will promise you, and later you just have to go into that house and start managing your life like that. Guys, or I will not tell you guys to go to your house whereby they are still renovating that house and you love that house, you want to stay there, you give them all your money. Guys, they will abandon you. That is what happened to us here. We were paying them gradually, but I will not pay everything. And they said that they are going to do this thing. Up till now, they have not even done what they promised us that they are going to do. Okay? Coupled with the fact that our agent even disappointed us. This house supposed to be 400. Meanwhile, he collected 450 from us. The landlord is not even aware of that one. Okay? The landlord is not aware of that one. So we have to pay 450 for this house. And since then, we have not seen him. He has gone with our money. That one is the bygone. You cannot kill him. You understand? So that is another thing that you should check. Oh, it's very, very important, guys. Yes, not like this. The lawsuit, the law court, they work for house. You will spend. You will be spending your own money on top of it. Okay. Recently, now I went to a house that we were looking for. That house is 2-bedroom flat, but it's 1 toilet. And they were like, and the place is dark. I'm a content creator. I need a lighting, like here, and I'm still managing this lighting because the weather is not good, and the place is a little bit dark. But at least I still have lighting. But when you go into that house, that place is dark. There's one at the window. Is it my mic? My mic is down. It's not coming up again. Let me just thank God the rain has subsided. So, as I was saying, that place is dark, and the landlord, the agent, was like convincing us to take the place. Is good. Or I know wetin carry me come. You don't have to force me to take what I don't want to take. Why force me? So I was like, no, I don't want to do this again. I know if I'm getting a house now, let me get a house whereby I will stay and enjoy, till I get my own house to my own taste. I know it's somebody's house, so I might not get everything that I want. So why not get a good house that I want? So you don't convince me. I told him, please, I don't want anybody to convince me, please. It's me that is paying for this money. Your own is to collect money and go. I don't know you from anywhere. What enjoy me are you now is this house. When I get this house now, I will go. You will go. You understand? So that's the thing. Okay, that's the thing. When I was looking for a shop, the man took us to 3 places. The other one was 200. 220 is under renovation. He took us, the guy, that place. I remember I said, no, I'm not going to pay any money here, because he was saying that the man will collect the money that is going to repair it. I said, no, I'm not interested. I only want a place where they have done it. Let me pay this money and enter. And that was how I got this my present shop. Okay, everything is there. Nothing is only to wash and enter. Wash, but it's left for you to do what you want to do, which I'm still doing and which I'm planning to do. You understand? So that is the thing there. I don't want a place where you promise that you will do. I don't want anything like that. When you're getting a house, get a house that things that are done, everything is done. Don't go and carry somebody's property and start renovating, because it backfires a lot. We check in when you are looking for a house in Nigeria especially, and the road, guys, the road might be bad, whereby when you are in the riverine area, especially in Bayelsa State, now water place now a day. Bayelsa place is the riverine area. When you are getting a house in Bayelsa State, guys, look at the road. And I will advise you for free, get a house during rainy season. Go and look for a house, because you know why. When you go to a house during dry season, guys, look for a house. That place will be so beautiful. You might not even see, and you enter the house during rainy season, you don't go see where you put your leg. Everywhere will be so flooded. That's the thing what I'm experiencing where I'm living right now. Outside is meshed. It's not that I did not see it too. I saw it. I even told my husband, this place is rainy place, so you know, husband, I say collect it, collect it. As a understanding woman that I am, I agreed with him, and we are expressing it now. So I believe it will not happen to us again. When we are getting a house, we get a house whereby nothing like this will happen. We get a house whereby it's upstairs itself. So when you're getting a house in Bayelsa, get a dry place and upstairs. That is where you will not experience something like this. When you're coming out of your house, you will enter a solid ground and walk solidly and walk very, very well. Not that you'll be carrying your clothes. There was a day we were going to church, guys, on Sunday morning, 6 o'clock. That was when heavy rain started falling, and I have already bathed, I've dressed, I was not sick, you know. I have to follow my husband to church. I have to drag. Thank God I put on trousers that day. I dragged my trouser up and I swim water to the church. I swim water to come out of my area. And there are so many things in those waters. You don't know. Sometimes they even open their soccer pits. Things are coming up from the soccer way. Sometimes, you know, reptiles are there a lot. And my skin is a very sensitive skin. When I put my leg on those waters, I feel a lot of inching. So I even said I'm going to get boots, all these long boots, whereby when it's falling like that, I'll wear the boots and walk. So these are experiences. So these are what I've seen here, and I'm telling you guys. So if you're watching me, you're in Bayelsa State, and you're looking for a house, note all those things. And when you're getting a house here again, look at the house very well. There are some houses that water have entered their house during heavy flood. Look at that house. They might have painted outside. Maybe they don't go paint outside. Look at, there will be a line that you will see, a very long line. That line on the wall, that line shows that flood entered that house. Flood entered that house. That's, you cannot escape it. Here, what they even told us was that when it's coming, it doesn't enter this house, it will enter the other one. I said it's a lie. Flood will enter this house. When heavy flood come, it will enter this house. But by then I will not be here with them. We are going to be in another place or another house. So look at those things very, very well. It's very, very important. Very, 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 very important. Because if you don't look at when heavy flood, because here they say experience flood. Bayelsa State will experience flood. Even other states, riverine states, Port Harcourt, Delta State, Anambra State, they experience all those things. Look out for them. Don't go pay house because that house they fine, and later you're going to cry. So these are what to check in. Look at Ebu mommy Nigeria. What I watched a video. Flood entered her house, entered everywhere. There was even when I was watching, she was pulling out water. Everywhere was so flooded. Everywhere, as in her well would fall outside. Then the flood came into the house, scattered everything. Everybody told, oh my goodness, that one reptile even did herself. Need to enter that house. There's not worried about it. And how her low, she was just showing it, pulling out water. I said, how will she live in that house again? How will she? It's so disgusting. So disgusting. So there are some places that are experiencing flood right now that I'm talking to you. Here it has not, where I'm staying, you know, it has not started, but there are some places that have started experiencing it in Bayelsa. We have in Biama, we have other places that they are living close to the water. Those kind of houses. So I think these are the experiences that I've experienced so far. Okay? Don't trust agents. Don't trust agents much. Put money first before giving you a house. Don't trust them. Don't carry that kind of agents. Okay? Don't carry that kind of that put money first. The one is that they will collect money, they'll be carrying you to your house. They know that you don't want that house. Let them know what you want before they'll take you out. So that they're not gonna carry you to where you don't want, and you will spend money. Avoid those kinds of agents. I look out for them very well. Me, I've gotten experience. This house that I'm staying is going to be the last experience. Yeah, so as many of you that have been watching me, you'll be like, okay, have we seen the house? Guys, we were not able to see house anymore. We got houses. There's even one we got, but that one is under renovation, and is a kind of in a high pace for us. So we could not pay that house. So we have to leave it, and we paid for this one again for the second time. I was going to say, okay, let us pay for this one. Since this one is still a little bit better, 400,000. So that was how we paid for here, and we retain here. Okay, yes, as you guys have seen, we have put some chairs in our house. This chair safe, man, and God help us. Okay, we have to just put all these things so that we'll start. Although the house does not put curtain right now, we are still managing ourselves. Let us try to make the house good with the little amount of money that we had. The windows too, we are going to put curtain. All those things are money. They are serious money. And there are a lot of things that is on our head right now, so we cannot go and afford to go and pay for expensive house whereby we can manage here. It's just the road that is bad, and the toilet. We'll try to fix all those things. Recently I used cement and I arranged this house. The down part that we have holes, yeah, whereby those reptiles that are coming out, we cemented them, even though sometimes we used to see them again, but we have to cement them so that at least when you're living in a house, just try your best to make that house comfortable for yourself, whereby you can stay and you'll be okay. So that was what I did in this place. Even my toilet, I use cement to cement them, the down especially, so that I can bath in peace of mind. I can bath well. So that one they settled on that part. Most moments, even in the kitchen, he helped me to cement them. Yeah, just cement. I will show you guys. Don't worry, I will show you guys. You guys will see what we just touched. But the only problem I have right now is just the road and the around at the road. When rain starts falling, I don't think I will go outside. I will not do that because my leg is very, very sensitive. Yes. So, and my shop is there. We need money to arrange things in the shop. Yes, I need money. Okay, I'm going to post in the videos of things that I've been doing concerning that shop. I'm drawing a business plan because I need to do a business plan that I will use in starting the shop. So I'm into that. I'm doing that. Gradually, God will help me. And another thing that is disturbing us, my father-in-law is in the hospital, guys. My father-in-law. So, guys, I will show you guys the things that we are able to do in this house. You guys will see it, okay? Yeah. Please, if this is the first time of coming across my channel, please don't make it your last. Like this video and support me. When you are getting a house, open your eyes, shine your eyes, so that you will not cry tomorrow. Okay, love you guys. I still remain your baby girl, Obi. Bye, guys.